Hello everyone! On this video, we're going to learn more about the Index Locations window. This is the tool Media Producer uses to look for and point to the media to be ingested. It can be a card reader media or any other media folder in your system. To index a new location, you simply click on the plus sign button right here. The Add Index Location window will open. The first on the list is the Index Location Adapter type. This is where we set how Media Producer is going to look for the media you want to index. The first option here is Polling Watch Folder, which means Media Producer will constantly look for new media in the folder you select. The second option is Event Watch Folder. If you select this option, Media Producer will check the folder for media just once, and then it will wait to be notified if there are new objects. This only works with types of storage that support this feature. The other three options are specific for Object Matrix, Matrix Store storage systems. Once you've selected the adapter type, you can now browse to the desired folder's location, clicking on this button right here, and select it. Next is a temporary work directory. This is used for some specific workflows where you have media and metadata coming from different sources. You can set a temporary work directory so that when the media's corresponding metadata is ready, Media Producer will check if it matches and index both the media and the metadata together. Next is metadata mapping. This was created to support custom metadata workflows. When you have metadata written in a different format and you need an XSLT file to translate it. Here, you have the option to select a previously imported XSLT file to translate the XML you want to import with your media. Worker thread limit is used when you're trying to index lower source locations, for example, when you try to index material coming from an optical drive. Next, you have the option to generate proxies for playback while indexing the media. This is a good option if you want to review your material before ingesting it. You can select the last option when you're indexing media that is being downloaded via an FTP client. Finally, you can add the new index location or cancel the operation. I'm gonna add this new location. Media Producer will automatically identify the card structure and file types it is indexing. In this case, I'm indexing media coming from a GoPro camera. It displays the existing clips organized by card structure. I can also remove an index location by simply clicking on this minus sign button right here. The last two buttons here are for setting a disk label or a tape name. By default, Media Producer uses the folder name as the disk label. You can set a different disk label by selecting the folder and clicking on the Set Disk Label button. It will allow you to type in a new disk label. The same applies for those workflows that require a tape name. You can set a new tape name by clicking on the Set Tape Name button. On our next video, we're gonna see the contents of the folders we just indexed and learn everything about the Clip Browser window. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.